Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 20th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days. I hope you have watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is, which Chol ruler was popularly called Victor of the Ganges? किस चोल शासक को लोकप्रिय रूप से गंगा का विजेता कहा जाता था? आंसर इज राजेंद्र चोल प्रथम. Rajendra Chol Pratham was popularly called the Victor of the Ganges. He was a Tamil Chol emperor of South India who became the king of the empire in 1014 CE. He established Gangaikond Cholpuram as his capital of Tanjavur. He was the first to venture to the banks of Ganges. Moving to second question. Which of the following is a famous fossil site in India where a full-fledged skeleton of a dinosaur was found? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा भारत में एक प्रसिद्ध जीवाश्म स्थल है जहां एक डायनासोर का पूर्ण विकसित कंकाल मिला था? आंसर इज वद्दाम, महाराष्ट्र. वद्दाम, महाराष्ट्र is a famous fossil site in India where a full-fledged skeleton of dinosaur was found. Vaddam has exposed Jurassic era fossils including flora and fauna. Moving to third question. Which Governor General of India abolished sati system in 1829 by declaring it an offense? भारत के किस गवर्नर जनरल ने 1829 में सती प्रथा को अपराध घोषित कर समाप्त कर दिया था? आंसर इज लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक. Lord William Bentinck abolished sati system in 1829 by declaring it an offense. He served as the first Governor General of India from 1828 to 1835. He also passed the English Education Act 1835 and revised the court system in India. Moving to fourth question. Satariya is traditional Hindu classical dance form of which state? सतरिया किस राज्य का पारंपरिक हिंदू शास्त्रीय नृत्य है? आंसर इज असम. Satariya is a traditional Hindu classical dance of Assam. It is a dance drama performance art related to Lord Krishna, sometimes other Vishnu avatars such as Ram and Sita. It is recognized as classical dance by Sangeet Natak Akademi of India in 2000. Satariya was developed in the 5th century by Srimant Sankaradev. Moving to next question. How many agroclimatic zones are characterized by the Planning Commission of India? भारत के योजना आयोग द्वारा कितने कृषि जलवायु क्षेत्र की विशेषता है? आंसर इज 15. There are 15 agroclimatic zones ACZ are characterized by the Planning Commission of India. These zones are classified on the basis of physiography, soils, climate, cropping patterns and development of irrigation. Moving to next question. लोकतक लेक is situated in which state? लोकतक झील किस राज्य में स्थित है? आंसर इज मणिपुर. Loktak Lake is situated in Manipur. It is one of the largest freshwater lakes in India and famous for mass of vegetation, soil and inorganic matter floating over it. It covers an area of 40 km² and serves as a source of water for hydropower generation, irrigation and drinking water supply. Moving to next question. When was the Backward and Minority Communities Employees Federation BAMCEF established? पिछड़ा और अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय कर्मचारी संघ BAMCEF की स्थापना कब की गई थी? आंसर इज 1978. In 1978, Backward and Minority Communities Employees Federation BAMCEF established in Delhi, India. The ideology of BAMCEF is to fight the rooted system of inequality that divides Indian society. Moving to next question. Which famous personality said the following? Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. किस प्रसिद्ध व्यक्ति ने निम्नलिखित कहा? अपनी पहली जीत के बाद आराम मत करो, क्योंकि अगर आप दूसरी में असफल हो जाते हैं तो अधिक होठ यह कहने के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आपकी पहली जीत सिर्फ किस्मत थी. आंसर इज APJ अब्दुल कलाम. The given quote is stated by APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian scientist and the former President of India from 2002 to 2007. He widely referred to as the People's President. Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds and Beyond 2020 are the books written by him. He has received Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna in 1997. Moving to next question. Which function key displays the print preview window in Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office में कौन सी फंक्शन की प्रिंट प्रीव्यू विंडो प्रदर्शित करती है? आंसर इज कंट्रोल प्लस F2. Control plus F2 is key displays the print preview window in Microsoft Office. Moving to next question. In 1930, which scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize for describing the human ABO blood group system? मानव ABO रक्त समूह प्रणाली का वर्णन करने के लिए 1930 में किस वैज्ञानिक को नोबेल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया था? आंसर इज कार्ल लैंडस्टीनर. Carl Landsteiner was awarded the Nobel Prize for describing the human ABO blood group system in 1930. This group system is used to match the blood type of the donor and the person receiving the transfusion and regarded as the most important blood group system in transfusion medicine. Moving to next question. India share its land boundary with which country in the east? भारत पूर्व में किन देशों के साथ अपनी भूमि सीमा साझा करता है? आंसर इज म्यांमार एंड बांग्लादेश. इंडिया शेयर इट्स लैंड बाउंड्री विथ म्यांमार एंड बांग्लादेश इन द ईस्ट. इंडिया shares a border of 1468 km in length with Myanmar and shares a border of 4096 km with Bangladesh. Moving to next question. Cinnabar HGS is an ore of which metal? Cinnabar HGS किस धातु का अयस्क है? आंसर इज मरकरी, पाड़ा. Cinnabar is a toxic mercury sulfide mineral used to color paints as one of red coloring agents used in tattoo dyes. It is the most common source ore for refining elemental mercury that occurs as a vein filling mineral associated with volcanic activity. Moving to next question. The headquarters of OPEC are situated in which city? OPEC का मुख्यालय किस शहर में स्थित है? आंसर इज वियना. The headquarters of Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries are situated in Vienna. It is an intergovernmental organization of 13 countries founded by 5 countries namely Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela in 1960. Moving to next question. The Maharaja Ranjit Singh Gold Cup is associated with महाराजा रंजीत सिंह गोल्ड कप किससे का संबंध किससे है? आंसर इज हॉकी. द महाराजा रंजीत सिंह गोल्ड कप इज एसोसिएटेड विथ हॉकी. इट इज एन अवार्ड गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब फॉर एक्सलेंस एंड अचीवमेंट इन स्पोर्ट्स, फाउंडेड इन 1978. द फील्ड हॉकी गेम कैन ईदर बी प्लेड ऑन ए ग्रास और ऑन द टर्फ. जवाहरलाल नेहरू कप, मुर्गप्पा गोल्ड कप, MCC trophy are associated with hockey. Moving to next question. Hand in hand joint training exercise are related to which countries? Hand in hand संयुक्त प्रशिक्षण अभ्यास किस देश से संबंधित है? आंसर इज इंडिया, चाइना. भारत, चीन. Hand in hand is a joint training exercise between India and China. It is an annual military exercise held under United Nations. The aim of hand in hand exercise is to enhance interoperability between the two armies to counter terrorism. Moving to next question. Where is the Central Food Technological Research Institute situated? केंद्रीय खाद्य प्रौद्योगिकी अनुसंधान संस्थान कहाँ स्थित है? आंसर इज मैसूर. The Central Food Technological Research Institute is located in Mysore. It was established in 1950. It is a large and diversified laboratory engaged in research in the production of handling of grains, pulses, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables, fish, meat and poultry. Moving to next question. With which country US signed a document titled New Atlantic Charter? किस देश के साथ अमेरिका ने न्यू अटलांटिक चार्टर नामक एक दस्तावेज पर हस्ताक्षर किए? आंसर इज यूनाइटेड किंगडम. US signed a document titled New Atlantic Charter with United Kingdom. New Atlantic Charter was signed by Prime Minister of the UK Boris Johnson and the President of United States Joe Biden on June 10, 2021. It was signed at 2021 G7 summit in Cornwall, England. Moving to next question. Wayan, village of which state / union territory, became the first village in India to achieve 100% vaccination of eligible adults against COVID-19? किस राज्य / केंद्र शासित प्रदेश का वेयान गांव कोविड-19 के खिलाफ पात्र वयस्कों को 100% टीकाकरण प्राप्त करने वाला भारत का पहला गांव बन गया है? आंसर इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Wayan, village of Jammu and Kashmir, became the first village in India to achieve 100% vaccination of eligible adult against COVID-19. Moving to next question. Which Indian banknote have feature मंगलयान on the reverse side? किस भारतीय बैंक नोट में पीछे की तरफ मंगलयान है? आंसर इज 2000 नोट. Indian current note of ₹2000 features Mangalyaan on the reverse side. Mangalyaan was a Mars orbiter mission MOM launched in 2013 by Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO. Moving to next question. Which of the following is an example of the most explosive type of volcano? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सबसे विस्फोटक प्रकार के ज्वालामुखी का उदाहरण है? आंसर इज कॉल्डेरा volcanoes. Caldera volcanoes is an example of the most explosive types of volcano. It is a large cauldron-like hollow that forms shortly and large volumes of magma erupted over a short time. The Apolaki caldera is the largest volcanic caldera in the world. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not a cash crop? निम्नलिखित में से कौन नकदी फसल नहीं है? आंसर इज ज्वार. Jowar is not an example of cash crop. Cash crop is an agricultural crop which is grown to sell for profit. It is produced for the purpose of exporting or selling rather than for consumption by the person who grows. Moving to next question. The first sugar mill in India was set up in 1903 at which place? भारत में पहली चीनी मिल 1903 में किस स्थान पर स्थापित की गई थी? आंसर इज प्रतापपुर. The first sugar mill was set up in Pratappur, Uttar Pradesh in 1903 in India. Moving to next question. Rafale fighter aircraft is designed and built by which company? राफेल लड़ाकू विमान किस कंपनी द्वारा डिजाइन और निर्मित किया गया है? आंसर इज डसॉल्ट एविएशन. Rafale fighter aircraft is designed and built by the Dassault Aviation. It is an international French aircraft manufacturer of military and business jets founded in 1929 by Marc Bloch. Moving to next question. When was the first Constituent Assembly election held in India? भारत में पहला संविधान सभा चुनाव कब हुआ था? आंसर इज 1946. The first Constituent Assembly election held in 1946 in India. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by the provincial assemblies by single transferable vote system. The idea of Constituent Assembly was first proposed in 1934 by M.N. Roy. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was the first temporary chairman of the Assembly. Later, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the permanent chairman of the Assembly. Moving to next question. How many parathyroid glands are present on the back side of the थायराइड ग्लैंड इन ह्यूमन? मानव में थायराइड ग्रंथि के पिछले भाग में कितनी पैराथायराइड ग्रंथियां होती है? आंसर इज 4. 4. देयर आर 4 पैराथायराइड ग्लैंड्स प्रेजेंट ऑन द बैक साइड ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड इन ह्यूमन. Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland in vertebrates, consist of 2 connected cheek located in the front of the neck. Thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate the body's metabolic rate, controlling heart, muscle and digestive function. Parathyroid glands are small glands of the endocrine system which regulate the calcium. Thanks for watching this video. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल FWL को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.